What's up, tatted investors? It's your guy, Ven. And in today's video, we're about to dive into a playbook that will supercharge your Airbnb bookings organically. But before we get started, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. You don't want to miss this.
Wanna hold her, I wanna kiss her, yeah.
Action time. Grab your phone or jump on your desktop and head to your Airbnb listing. The first thing that I want you to do is to start by taking new, high-quality photos that tells a story of your space. Craft a compelling title that stands out. Now, what I want you to do is to update your property description. Be detailed. Highlight the local attractions and make it irresistible. Finally, update your availability calendar. Done? Great! Your listing is now a magnet for potential guests. Let's boost your visibility. Open your listing and identify 3 keywords that potential guests might use to find a place like yours. Incorporate those keywords naturally into your title and description and anywhere else that you're able to put them. Bonus points if you stay up to date on local trends and attractions. Now hit save and watch your listing climb the search ranks. Engagement challenge. Today, send a personalized message to a past guest thanking them for their stay. Ask if they had any local favorite moments that they enjoyed or tips that they'd like to share. Now, politely request for a review. Bonus challenge. Respond to a guest's inquiry within 1 hour. Building positive connections. Check. Utilizing social media and other platforms. Let's go multi-platform. Your task. Create an Instagram account for your listing and post at least 1 captivating photo today. Share a local tip, an interesting fact on a Facebook group. Also, explore cross-listing your property on Vrbo and other sites like Airbnb and monitor these results. Engage with at least 3 potential guests across all platforms. Your property is about to own the digital landscape. All right, are you ready for the next level? Hit pause and subscribe to this channel right now. Don't miss the upcoming episode where we're going to explore alternative booking strategies. Also, leave a comment below with your biggest takeaway from today's video. Connect with other investors in the comment section and around you. You never know what valuable insights you just might discover. Until next time, happy hosting, stay tatted, stay invested.